How to treat lower back pain and leg pain naturally, permanently in 2020. Hello, welcome to this review of my back pain coach. In this video, I will guide you about my back pain coach. Is Ian Hart's exercises scam? Will it be very helpful for you? Back pain is something that we all have to deal with at least once in our life. Sometimes, it is due to an injury at work or during sports. Sometimes, we lift an object that is simply too heavy. Other times, it's just old age that might get us. But the good news is that there is a solution. No matter what your situation is, this back pain coach review can and will help you. Stop battling the back pain, stop doing crazy exercises, and wasting time trying to fix it with things that don't work. This has what you need to succeed and feel better. It is an easy-to-follow program that is available right over the internet for easy access. Many others have found it helpful. The program itself is a plan to help you get your back pain under control. Ian has crafted an unusual method, and it is a 16-minute, 8-movement routine. It will relieve years of upper back and lower back pain. Your body will follow the movements and rebalance itself after just one session of the program. Even if you are bedridden, or taking a ton of painkillers, suffering an excruciating bout of back pain, you can get back to having a strong back. You can go back to working normal shifts at your job and even exercise easier than before. My back pain coach consists of the special video course that will surely help you to get rid of your back pain while exercising for a few minutes a day. These videos are quite simple and easy to follow. And all the movements taught in the program are truly effective in handling back pain problems. How do you follow? You will follow the series of videos contained within the program in order to get results. You will not only get the helpful videos, but you will also get some bonuses too. These bonuses are called sciatica and piriformis relief for life, and one that will help you get out of the harmful effects of sitting all day. Many of us work office jobs, so this is super helpful. The sciatic nerve is the largest in the body, says Ian Hart's information. Therefore, should it ever become compressed or contorted, you end up with terrible pain. Having this resource will be very handy should this ever happen, but we hope it doesn't. And if you are sitting, Ian Hart calls it a silent killer. Even if you are healthy, your back and neck can hurt. Who is Ian Hart? Ian Hart is a jack of all trades. He runs a personal training company, multiple locations across the United States. At his workplace, they work miracles. Their fitness company has grown like a weed because they do things fast, effectively, and best of all, safely. Ian has many designations and certifications under his belt. He is a certified strength and conditioning specialist. Ian is Equinox Tier 3 EFTI certified, has 2 kettlebell training certificates, has a certificate in integrated stretching techniques, and also knows CPR. He has been featured in many popular publications like Men's Health magazine and even on the Men's Health website. People in countries all around the world have used this helpful program to get their back pain under control. The client success stories are numerous, and Ian knows what it's like. He spent 10 years in pain and knows how expensive and tiring it can be. Ian will guide you to health. What will you learn from my back pain coach? You will learn a great deal from my back pain coach. First of all, you are going to learn how to relieve your back pain in a very helpful and natural way. You will learn how to do it using only exercises developed by a real live personal trainer, with plenty of certifications under his belt. You simply follow some videos that are 16 minutes long, great for us busy parents and career people, and then you will find the way to better health. Plus, there are only 8 techniques in the entire video, making it easy on you. There are plenty of videos to go through in this program. The library is extensive. You will follow a 3-level program. Each level is about 30 minutes in length. That's about the time of a basic workout. You will learn the right stuff to do so that your problems can be solved. This is achieved through 10 coaching session videos in which Ian Hart tells you about specific instances, like how to increase your back's flexibility and mobility, or 8 dangerous mistakes that make your back pain worse. You will also learn about the right time to do these exercises. For example, Ian has created one that should be done at the start of the day. It is called the Spoiler Alert. Begin your day program, and it is a full body routine. You will learn how this program gets rid of pain in different areas of the body, like neck, shoulders, and ankles. So, you will not only get your back on track, but also the other parts of yourself. Will my back pain coach work for you? Yes. Perhaps the best indication of this is going to be the video testimonies that are located right on the website. You can go have a look and see for yourself how men and women everywhere have benefited from Ian's program. And don't feel worried if you think you can't do it. Ian shows you ways of getting up and down on the floor, avoiding pain and injury. You can learn to employ these techniques in your regular workouts for a better, more comfortable experience. Doing all these movements and listening to Ian Hart talk about them will show you why and how they are important, and why they benefit you. You will certainly appreciate the increased flexibility, mobility, and overall relief that the My Back Pain Coach program brings. It's really an all-natural, effective way to feel better about yourself and get your back healthy again. In conclusion, all in all, this is a great program that will get you back to where you need to be in life. Go check out the testimonials of the customers who have followed this program and decide if it is right for you. Take courage, as the exercises are meant for people of all ages and ability levels. No need to be an Olympic athlete to do these. Simply go online to the website by clicking the link in this video description below and grab your copy today. The more you wait, the more it's going to bother you, and the more life you will miss out on. Once again, to visit the official website of My Back Pain Coach System, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Best of luck with your pain relief process.